The last thing I remember is her mother running after me, chancleta in hand, screaming, "Hijo de la gran puta! Mi hija es una nena decente, te voy a matar, canto de cabrón!" But we were teenagers, so what did we know? You got any kids?
Yeah.
How many kids you got?
9.
9. Diablo, papo. That's a lot of kids. Child support must be through the roof. Is that why you're burning Adam Bernthal's buildings down?
I don't know who that is.
Come on, you know Adam Bernthal, real estate guru? This is you meeting with Bernthal. Looks like he's handing you something. What's he giving you? Cash? Bet you need all you can get for all those fucking kids. You deadbeat piece of shit.
Look, man, we're talking about my kids.
You look, man. Now, here are your options. You can testify, and we throw you in jail, a newly minted rat, which would be no bueno. Or
what?
Or you wear a wire. Of course, if you get caught, there'll be no backup. But help us prove Bernthal is behind the arson, and you're free to go.
Free?
Yeah, to go to jail, but for less time. And you wouldn't be a rat. Much safer. Do we have a deal?
Nah.
No. Oh, no. No. You're fucked. Look. I got you. What do you mean no? What are you, nuts? I got you.
Lawyer.
Okay. Well, you're fucking yourself.